Hey, it's Nathan with CrazyOutMarketing.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about themes within your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Now, what a theme does is it makes sure that your pages all look the same for your ClickFunnels 2.0 site. So that way, your blog post pages, your main site, your course pages, all of those pages have like a uniform look and feel. So let's go ahead and get into it. So come over to Sites right here. And you can see that there's already a theme selected. There's a hero theme, but maybe I don't want that theme or I want to look at other themes. So I can go ahead and explore a new theme. And you can see that ClickFunnels has 8 themes to choose from. Now you can customize the themes if you want to. So if you're familiar with the page builder or you're a designer or something like that, you can definitely customize your themes. But if you're not, then I recommend picking a theme that you can at least get close to appreciating and liking and stuff like that. So anyway, if you click on a theme, like I'm going to stick with the hero theme, it lets us install it, but it also gives us some previews of the pages that are included. So this is what the customer center would look like. The module lessons would look like right here, and order confirmation, and also like the blog home and so on. So it gives you an idea of what the theme will look like. And again, you can customize it, which is what we're going to be talking about in this video, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, you can check out the other themes too, see if anything suits your fancy. But we're going to go ahead and close out of there because I already have the theme I want, the hero theme right there. Now to edit the theme, we can go ahead and click customize. But before I do that, I want to come over here and mention the style guide. So if you have not done the style guide yet and watched that video that I have, please check out the style guide video first because you want to do your style guide before you start editing your theme. So assuming your style guide is all set up, we can go ahead and click on customize. And so here we are inside the ClickFunnels 2.0 page builder, and I have another video with page builder information if you need that, link in the description down below. But coming over here to the left hand side, you can see the different theme pages that we have. So if you want to make changes to various pages, you can go ahead and select them on the left hand side. So right now we're on the home page, so if I want to update the theme of the home page, then I can go ahead and do that from here. But just to click through, we also have the storefront. So if you want to make changes to this theme and layout, you can do that. We have the product page. So you want to go ahead and update all these different pages to suit your particular business, make it unique to you and all that type of stuff. But there's all these pages that you can go ahead and edit. Now, maybe you don't want to have a storefront, or maybe you're not interested in having a blog through ClickFunnels, then of course you don't have to update these pages if you're not going to use the blog feature or the storefront feature or anything like that. But if you are, you probably want to go ahead and update the theme so it matches what your business represents. We also have the courses stuff right here, so the course home, so you can see all this information, the module lessons and the lesson pages, and so on. So if you're selling courses through ClickFunnels, you want to go ahead and make sure you update all these different page templates. I'm going to come back to the home page real quick because this is a good starting point. All right, so up here we have the header right here, and you can see that it is purple. And what purple means is that it is a universal block, and so changes made to this block update across all funnels and pages where it exists. So anywhere somebody uses this block, this universal block, the header, the content within the block will be updated. And so that's super useful because then we don't have to go through every single page we've created and make changes to our header. So let's go ahead and edit this block real quick and I'll show you what I mean. So like this logo right here, we probably want our logo. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, and I'm going to go ahead and select a different image and click right here. And I think I already mentioned this, but please check out the page builder video if you haven't already, because I cover a lot of information in that video about how to design these pages. So here's my logo right there. And of course, since it's in a universal block, it will update across all the pages on my site. And same concept over here with the links. So I could go ahead and edit these links. So if I come down here, we have shop, and as you can see, there's no link right now, and I can go ahead and apply a link. So if I have a link here that I want to send people to, I could go ahead and type it in there. I could open in a new window if I want to. I could also go ahead and add an icon, and I could go ahead and select an icon that I want to go ahead and use. So just like that, and click on open full setting, and there we go. So now my shop link will go to my website, which isn't really relevant, but I just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and add a link. Let's go ahead and click on the navigation again, and we can see that there's other options as well. So we have blog and blog sub menu, which you can see are right up here, and we can go ahead and toggle it on. So that's what it would look like with the sub menu turned on. So this is what it looks like with the sub menu. And we can turn that off just to hide it, but that's just how it looks. We can change the order if we want to. So now we have the shop about us and then the blog. You can go ahead and add additional items. Just click the little plus button and do an item. And so we have new link now, and you can come in here, click on it, change it to login, and we could go ahead and link to our login page if we had one set up. But I'm just going to leave it like it is for now and just do open full settings and so on. And that's just a quick demo of the menu element. The main thing I wanted to do is show you the universal block. So I want to come up here to save universal block, and now we can see that our header contains our changes. It contains our new logo, the shop with the icon next to it, the login link, and so on. And so if I went to like the storefront page, we can see that my header stayed the same, right? Because it's that universal section. And so you only have to update it that one time, and it changes across all the pages on your site. Now the same concept applies to the footer down here. So we can go ahead and edit the block, and we can go ahead and update our footer as well. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because I think you understand the idea, but we can go ahead and customize the footer however makes sense for our business and whatever links we want to go ahead and include. Save the universal block. And then if we look at our home page, we can see that the footer will have been edited because it's a universal block. And so what you want to do is go through all these pages and make sure that they fit your needs. Again, watch that page builder video and the style guide videos that I have if you need help with the page builder or the style. And it's really where you design everything. Now, when you're setting up a course or you're trying to sell a product and you're actually previewing it live, like you actually have information that you're sharing, and you realize that things don't look right, you can always come back to these themes and edit these pages at another time. So you don't have to get it right like right now before you go and build stuff. You can update it later on. But I do want to show you that these theme options and these theme pages are here, and hopefully explain a little bit of how they work, so that way you become more comfortable building pages and funnels and all that type of stuff. Now, one other thing before I forget, you will notice that some of these pages, or most of these pages, have like short codes in them. And what this means is that it's dynamic information. So it's going to automatically pull in your blog post that you create, and it'll have the title and the read more link and the image and so on automatically here for you. So you don't have to manually come in here and change the blog titles for every single thing. It's going to pull from your list of blog posts, and it's going to populate this page. So anywhere you see these like short codes or merge tags or whatever you want to call them, leave them how they are, because they're pulling in values automatically for you. And so you don't want to mess with them because it'll mess up how your pages display. And you can see most of these theme pages do have those short codes or merge tags. So right here, you don't want to edit this right here because it's going to mess up how it displays. And as you can see, like the image will dynamically replace, your content dynamically replaces, and so on. And so if you watch like my blog video, you'll see how the blog posts look with these particular theme elements and everything else. And so that's really it for this video. I just wanted to show you that there are themes for ClickFunnels 2.0, which is new compared to ClickFunnels Classic. And so if you're trying to get a page to look a certain way, it might be under your theme settings, and you might have to come in here and make the changes that you want to see. Now, if I didn't cover what you were hoping to see in this video, I have a bunch of other ClickFunnels 2.0 videos out, so please head over to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, I appreciate any sorts of likes, comments, subscribes, and or please check out crazyimarketing.com. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.